Hi guys, Lee from Frost. Today we're having a look at the liquid plastic system. So if you've got vinyl seats, plastic covers, leather seats, you can recolour them. Very simple system. First off, we've got the plastic primer. So if we're painting plastics, polypropylene, stuff like that, really they do need to be primed with the plastic primer. But just make sure first that you clean the substrate. The best way to do that is with VinylKleen. This will clean vinyl, plastic and leather. So use that because you've got to get all that silicone that's embedded in the plastic. You want that out of the way because that just affects paint non-stop. So one coat of the plastic primer first, give that 15 minutes to dry, and then when you've used this, then we can go on to the actual paint product itself. And we do it as either a litre tin or in the aerosol tin, as you can see. Now, the actual consistency of this stuff is like water. So if you are going to spray it, you do need a 0.8 setup in the spray gun. So it's normally one of those little mini spray guns that you get. 0.6, 0.8 is absolutely ideal. And you only want to be putting on 3 coats, and you must give it 10-15 minutes between the coats. And instead of spraying directly on, you literally just want to be dropping the paint onto the surface because it is so thin. And exactly the same with the aerosol as well. If you just follow that sort of spray pattern of just tilting it and just ever so slightly just dropping it onto the surface, it gets absorbed into the surface very, very quickly, this stuff. Now, if we're going to be doing vinyl or we're going to be doing leather, we don't need the plastic primer. So first step, again, is the VinylKleen. You must use this. You've got to get all that silicones, all the cleaning products out of the substrate. Once we've got them clean, then the VinylPrep is like an adhesion promoter. So slightly dampen a cloth, pour this on and rub it onto the surface. And what that will do, it will leave the surface slightly tacky, which is great for the adhesion for this particular product because it's so thin. And again, 0.6, 0.8 setup in your spray gun if you're going to be doing that. You cannot brush this stuff. It will run everywhere. It's very, very thin. Same application with the aerosol. We do a range of colours. They're all on the website. They're all matched to RAL colours. So there's no specific forward blue, rover green, whatever it may be, but you can check the colours out on the website and it is there. It's another Frost system. Thank you.